Okay, here we are again with this GIO Blazer tail. They come from the same factory, but this is what it looks like when you get the crate off. Now I did miss one point on that steel sort of protector around it. There is a bolt that goes in up here. You have to take out, it's an Allen key. So once you get that out, as per I thought, you just lift that whole steel piece off. And this is what you're left with. Your steering wheel isn't connected. Your info center isn't connected. Okay. There's two bolts down here that are holding it into place. And the axle's held into place with some straps here. So you're going to have to undo that, lift it, put it on stands of some sort. And the parts and pieces. This is going to be your nose cone. Okay, and it's going to go over onto here. It's pretty obvious where it goes, how it bolts on. You get two pieces for the back rack. You get the back rack itself. And then you get this piece right here. This piece is going to bolt into here, and then you're going to bolt your back rack on. Okay, I can't hold a camera and do it at the same time, and I'm not that into it that I have all these stands. Your tires come, pretty obvious what are front and back. Okay, the snow kit, skis, tracks, some pieces, ski stands, no instructions. Typical when you get something coming from China, often they lack on instructions. It does come with an owner's manual on how to maintain it. First thing they say is get it put together by a motorcycle mechanic. Yeah, these things are like $1,400. Mechanics $120 an hour. Crap, does that ever add cost to these things? So, and then we get some more parts and stuff for the track system. We'll figure that out later. And you get some bits and pieces for the quad itself. So I'm going to, again, stop here. I'm going to take the clamps off the quad, lift it up onto some stands, and we'll progress to put the ski kit on and put the rest of it together. I'll show you what you have to do, or I'll review what I did to put this thing together. Anyway, that's step 2, was just kind of getting everything unboxed, figuring out how to put this thing together and where all the pieces go. Step 3, I'll show you once I get the pieces on what I had to do to get them on. Anyway, hold on and we'll get to step 3.